In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can assign a value to a place in an array. In the previous example, we looked at how we create an array. We do this on line 2, and here we create an array that holds 4 elements, which are the names of animals. And on line 3 and 4, we see how we can access these values. We do this by printing them to the console. So if I want to print the first element of the array, then I use the index 0, and that will print dog. If I want to print the last element of the array, I will use the index 3, because the array is 4 elements long, but because we start counting at 0, that makes the last element 3. So if we want to change a value in this array, again we use the place of the element. So I will assign a new value to the first place in this array. So I will type the name of the array, my animals, and I will use an index, and I will use index 0, and I will assign it a new value, which is elephant. And if I print the first place of the array, my animals, index 0, then we will see I am saving the page now. I am loading the page in the browser, and we see here that the third printout is elephant. I am printing the first index here on line 3, and that gives us dog, because then the value in the first place is still dog. But here on line 5, I changed that value to elephant, so when I print that value now, it gives us elephant. We can also add a new element to the array at the end of the array. So we can add an element that will follow tiger, and that will make the array 1 element longer. So instead of 4 elements, it will have 5 elements. And we can do this with a method called push that we can call on the my animals array. And it looks like this. We start by typing the name of the array, my animals dot push. And inside the parentheses, I will add a value, dolphin. And now the array is 1 element longer. So I can print this new element, and this new element has the index 4, because the array is now 5 elements long, which makes the last element index 4. So I add the 4 to the square brackets, I save the file, and now when I reload this page, I see that I have the value dolphin printed to the console. So with the method push, I made the array 1 element longer, and I added another element.